Car. What do you have there?
Motorcycle.
Motorcycles and what else?
Get on the motorcycle. Get on the motorcycle. Motorcycle, get on. Wow!
Hey, Car.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you to Curtis for the motorcycles and the monster truck?
Thank you.
How much do you love them?
This one.
That's what I thought. Bye.
Bye.